Nope, I have one problem to fix. I really need to disable that plugin since it doesn't really seem to be doing anything for me. Two. Let's see how make sure everything works. Ah, my voice creaked apparently. I decided. All right. So, what we're immediately working on, and as I said in the title here, and what we're looking at overall, is we're seeing that we're kind of focusing on trying to get more along the lines with the profile pictures and trying to get those online, and good to go. So the gist of this particular goal here is we are close to getting our profile picture build outs kind of like good enough to really start rolling them out on the Discord server and in future times, like stickers and stuff like that. Cool stuff like that, right? So, that being said, our objective at the moment is to get that all kind of, in a manner of speaking, formulated. Now, I made a mistake, or rather, I did make a mistake. I made a mistake where I may have kind of, sort of, not saved some of the work that we did yesterday, or this morning, rather. Which, whoops. And so, that in mind, what we're kind of looking at here is to rebuild a little bit of what we did. So, image to image, right? That part's easy enough. And we have Kate here, where I did save some of the information, but not all of it. So, we have our primary. Let's see, where are we? We are primary. Oh, this is old. Uh-oh. Our primary one is the X 1.3. It was actually I ended up settling at X 1.9, and I believe it was Y. I think Y was generally fine after I fixed that one mistake. Although I did see Paladin, Cleric. I don't think I lost any of those. I could be wrong. Oh, and this is in style pile. Yeah, those are my sequentials. All right, and then Y subsequentials, because I want basically all of them to have examples of masculine, feminine, and there we go. Male, what was it? Man, woman. Masculine, feminine, male, masculine, feminine. Yep. All right, cool. All right, and then A was a hair, like the length of their hair or the way the hairstyle is. And then, oh, okay, so that one I had. Oh, ow, that hurts. That hurts that I botched that much. All right. So one of the things I had done here. Wait, where is it not? What is going on there with that? Oh, it's because I changed the thing. Let me fix that a little bit for you guys. Where is that at? Stable diffusion. All right. Let me fix that. Let me fix it. Oops. Thing. Problem is that Kate is the thing I use a lot of, so I don't want to like just jar Kate's positioning all too much. Put Kate above. Well, shoot. This plan doesn't work. Oh well, it's fine. It's good enough. You'll see what I'm copying and pasting. So, Yeah, as I was saying. Okay. As I was saying. So then that was C, but we had already made a lot of progress, and this is the mistake I made. We'd actually already made a lot of progress on what we kind of wanted with B. But I ended up, it was honestly super important what I'd gotten done there too. Shoot. All right, that's fair. So light skinned, tanned, toned. Because one of my biggest problems was that I didn't really care for kind of how, like, for some reason, some part of the build out was like really going, hey, you're all you're not getting enough like dark skin sort of thing and that sort of thing. And I just mean like, and darker skin in general, but just specifically the way that that one was working for, I just did not care for how that was set up. So, all right, let's see. And so having more in there and that sort of thing worked really well with what I was working at. Plus, I think also, let's see. So B skin, I believe I went 1 point. Oop, my numlock wasn't on. Colon 1.3. I don't know why I hit save. And then let's make sure in the future. I remember to do that. All right. Next. I actually really like the DPM adaptive. Like when I was researching it, it warned me that it was like more it could take longer. But I honestly, for one thing, it seemed to take shorter, and for another thing, I liked it. I like it. Masterpiece. Okay, and it was a photography, and it was direction. Sketch. Mood hopeful. Always hopeful. Always hopeful, especially in this day and age. Don't ask, because I wouldn't tell you. Let's see, and then male, masculine. You. Oh man, I may not be able to get the 2 hours that I was aiming for here. Jeez, I'm already yawning like that. I go with dark hues. I'm gonna go with dark hues, but again, I remember putting those at like super low. Sorry, so you catch me as I'm rebuilding these scenarios because I kind of broke them a bit, and so it's like I gotta fix. Now I gotta remember where I put her. There she is. Oh, this is the other one. I don't want that one. I want the other one. Oops. Okay, so it wasn't that one. Where did I put her at? Was she in downloads? Shoot. Maybe it was her. I think it was her that we were using because I like that one as a base, especially because it has like the cool color stuff going on. So, all right. So let me see. Seed. I saw a seed. All right, seed. Technically speaking, I'm probably giving away the ghost here a little bit, but I don't really care. All right, let's just give it a skim through. All right, crop and resize. I always like the crop and resize option. Let's see. That's done. That's done. Dark hue. That's good. Good. Dark Gothic. Or Dark Gothic. I thought the first one was... Oh, that was his Dark Wave. I think it was 0.6 for Dark Wave. And Victorian Gothic. Baroque. 1.0, right? Give it a quick look. See. Let's see. So there's that start. There. Oh, I didn't put the negative prompts in. Great thing is that I know that the negative prompts really haven't changed, luckily, all that much from up here. Oh, why is my... There we go. Okay. So that. All right, let's see it run. Oh, geez, why does it say that much time? Changed. Oh, I jumped the... Oh, I hiked the sampling steps up real high. Hmm. Well, let's see how it turns out. So I did it right. Just give us a good examples and that way. me check. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. I always forget that one thing. So, let's see, where are you at? There we go. All right. Seems like it's going with a lot of the Gauss type. All right. Well, we will see that in a little bit. Actually, I can check now that I think about it, because I'm more curious than I am anything else. All right. So while that's processing, we'll try this back up here. Ooh. Where'd she actually go? All right, so now what we're switching back over to is specifically, but I already had this set up. All right. Is not there, but that's a good stopping point for the mostly because I'm not sure what I'm looking at this stage, like which is what I think is the right one actually. Not that one though. Yeah, it's the right one. So let me All right, so let's see. All right, what was I working on? Okay, so now what are we working on? We're looking at the to do. All right. So we're working on those PFPs, as we can see, kind of got that rebuilt, and I believe I actually saved. Well, I'll have to go through and save at least one of the prompts to make sure that we get that, get that right. Just check and make sure. So I got all those saved in. I just entered them, so they should be good. But hopefully they're good. And we'll rebuild this just in case if we need to. And each run when we do them. All right, cool. All right, now. So we're looking at the GPT batch options. Right. Sorry. He makes her wake it up. So it's like, hey, all right. So here's what here's do. All right. So we were checking on those cards, and of course they're all done. Ooh, that could have been noisy. This is my one worry about like when we get to the async stuff, right? Is like the computer locked, like the computer like soft locked. It was kind of in a weird like semi sort of mode. So and it was kind of bad. And so I had to power cycle it. Well, that's not a fan. That's not a good thing, you know. So all right, where were we? So now I need to work on the factotum to get them out of the way in prep for the next group. Oh, ooh. Give me that. All right, let's take a look. See. Oh, actually, I'm thinking about it. No, we can step them back. No, okay. So I got to think about how I want to work this material out because basically we build the articles, right? We completed the spreadsheet, um, source sheet from gallery or glossary. All right. Sheet outline prompts from template. Okay. Sheet classes, build game topics for template. Okay. Select from title. Yep. And these are all the result of 999 vibes. Curiosity for me is that it should move it over and it should move it to the middle of the thing. Why would it move it to the middle of the thing? Why wouldn't it move it to the bottom of the thing? Wait, that was not the right one I just grabbed. All right, so factotum, fighter. Why is the fighter there? Why wouldn't it go down here to the bottom? All right, so because I'm lazy, buttons. All right, and create a button. Add action, checklist. Let's see. Maybe if I could do it this way. I need to get one more piece of data before I do this. But I can do this. It needs to be click here. Because the thing is that it's kind of a formality that I'm going through and doing the, doing this checklist here, as in like the check, hitting the button to check, because I have, if they exist in these contexts or in this context, then guess what? I've already done all the work for it. So, all right, checklist. When, let's see, check all the items in checklist on the card. There you go. Save. Oy vey. All right. So now instead of having to go through and check all the boxes, I just need to go, and there are faster ways to do this for sure. But the thing is I want to make sure that if I'm checking off boxes like that I'm aware of the boxes that I'm checking. Well, that's funny that I clicked that button. Because the button I should actually click would be this one. I don't know if this is a good idea. Because like the thing is that honestly, it's like I'm already tired clicking the one. No, it's. I mean, I am. All right, now for the boring stuff. Pardon me for the boring stuff. Anyone that's watching, because the boring stuff here is literally just watching me go through and check and make sure all of the links work. I mean, it'll probably take me about an hour of just doing this. All right, so we're gonna move so I'm not cranking my neck. Down here. Actually, you know what? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it over here. I have an idea. Just bear with me. Shoot. All right. So, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take this particular line. I'm gonna drag it down here somewhere. And then I'm gonna check something. What was I looking over here? Yeah, I was verifying that all those were done. Okay. Fire travel. Okay. Actually, I think I can cheat clicking on it. Because, like, if it's automatically... We'll still have to open it, right? But whereas this did not. Oops, and Y too. New knife. Awake I am. That's probably the only time that I've made that mistake. Well, something went wrong here. Has been that experiment. I need to clean this up just so I can prove something to somebody, or I don't really need to prove anything, right? Just to back up a claim. Nice. See, I made this start or this statement and I didn't actually do it, which was all those tests. They're currently clouding my numbers, which is obnoxious. I need to clean those up. It's gonna take a hot minute because of all like the boring admin stuff that ends up happening. You know that I end up dealing with, and I end up dealing with it so that no one has to, no one else does, and it's kind of ridiculous. Like the amount of just stupid admin stuff that ends up in the background, like that is required, like that's needed to be done to clean up. Like, well, part of it's my own, my own fault. Like this one, I had like a 10 million test, right? So to get this thing to work the way I needed to work, partially because I just didn't see a particular error and I just kept on testing it. Something insanity. It's probably like 30 cards that I'm gonna have to remove manually one at a time. Or I could remove. Here's the fun part about that is I could remove all of them. Oh. Taco says rate limit exceeded. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. But he's just a dog. What does he know? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, it's archived. Okay. Oh, boy. I'm about to lose my mind. Okay. So... All right, Taco, I will be ignoring you because you are just a dog. No, it's not because you're a dog, but because, like, thanks for the information, but I can't do much with it. So I'm going to go back up to where I was. And this is going to take a while. And there's no fast forward time here. Just click the button. Click the button. Click the button. I feel like there's a faster way to do this somehow, and I don't know what it is. Wait a second. Is there a way to do this that's faster? All right. How about this? So I go button, automation, button. Okay. I got an idea. I got an idea. It's a terrible idea, but it's an idea. All right. So remove archive links. Add action. So let's see. Cascade. All right. Well, ultimately we're going to go unlink the cards, but we need to be able to convert items to a linked card. No, link item with the card. Find a card titled. I think I might do a little bit. Let's see. Hulk, unlink, archive, parts. Well, I know it's important. Why? Yes, I realize this. Yeah, I know. Okay. I tried. All right. I mean, there's another way to do it for sure, but whatever. Yep. Well, I screwed the pooch here, to say the least. I think it's like 40 cards that I have to unlink. Wow, that's like. Oh wait, maybe there are fewer than I thought there were. Oh, never mind. Just keep coming. And the only problem, well, would it satisfy me if I skimmed through them and they all? I'll see. Like, there's a way to satisfy me on this one as well. Because like the primary concern that I have is I want to make sure that that link for the next section works on this pass through. I'm just kind of moving on my feet as I'm working through this simple process. Also, I know this is absolutely exhilarating content. Remove. Anyway, so what I was saying is that basically, if I can verify the, uh, the fact that those are all like hyperlinking up, then I will call that good. That's the sort of the space where we're in. I don't know if I can, because like if you look at the ones above, like the fighter ones that are right in front of me, that are in glossary view, they don't actually show. Like they show that we've completed 6 of 12 of that, but they don't actually show the thing we need to show on them, right? Yeah, see, they don't show it. They just show that there are 2, but they don't show me anything about them, which is okay. Where is it? Oh, it's right in front of me. Gosh darn it! Trying to show somebody what we're looking at here. Oops. All right, let's continue on this. Now that I showed it to him, which that needed to be cleaned up, and I should have cleaned it up before launching the previous steps, but these things happen. All right. He's working on that. Just moving stuff around a little bit. All right. Oh, settle back down and just click the button over and over again. Well, so long as this checks out. Wow, that one worked. I do feel like there are things that would be better worth my time in doing this, but I want to make sure that it gets done, and I want to make sure it gets done like presently. It's a prerequisite for somebody else's job, so it's like, all right. Plus, also, it's just not like it takes very much effort, as long as it works. Oh, shoot. I don't know what I just did, but it could be bad. Oh, what the crap. Thought I fixed this. Really, really thought I fixed this. Well, my penalty is that I need to find monk. Wait. Wait. Oh no. Did I really do what I think I did? Wait, I almost just doubled down on. Alright, wise master. Okay. But source is not wise master and parallel force. What the crap? Oh no. Oh no. No. Did I just see what I just thought I saw? So this is alright, I need to escape. This is the Monk Martel Archer build. Forest 10-0. I said 10-0. All right, well, at least this isn't as bad as it could be. But this is the Wise Master build. Trying to look at the Martial Arts build, which is all messed up too. Wise Master. Wise Master Unparalleled Force. Wait, why is this pointing to 170? $169, 170, 171. The entire monk area needs to be redone. right, so monks need to be redone. Just to say it, I'd normally be more talkative, but I'm at this point where I've should be asleep, and I'm currently working through this process instead. Because the goal here is basically get everything to where it needs to be by the time that I'm going to be preoccupied with some other taskers. So, which means getting these all in line, like all of these. There's 169, nice, 169 that need to be brought in line. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Is bringing these guys in line, like this. All right. So what is wrong with the Scion? I'm gonna bet something like it's supposed to be the, and I changed it to. Let's see, and I got a feeling that's gonna be all of them. Yep, like I said, it's gonna be the. So actually, instead of that, let's do this. Biscuit. Oh, it's ready. My bad. Uh-oh. Looks like something has stopped unexpectedly. I'm only at 81%. Come on. Still doing that damn thing. Okay. Well, apparently, Brave decided to stop responding or catch something. Mm. I just wanted to finish this group. It's not that many. Hmm. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going on. Me like Brave decided to give up the ghost, which means I might need to take the momentum and run. Yeah, I'm gonna actually do that. I know it's only been an hour, but I'm I'm fading. I'm almost, well, I can't even say I'm almost done, but I can say that we were getting there. All right, there we go. Firefox. Uh, Brave crashed. That's cool. Really asked it to do too much. All right, well, since Brave crashed, I am going to call it there and bid y'all adieu. I need to crash myself. So cheers, cheers, and we will be working on some more of it later today because we're almost there with a bunch of markers. So laters.